yesterday morning, Louise and Karen gave us a presentation about the research they are doing into brain science and the causes of dementia and Alzheimer's. And Louise runs the Serpell lab, which is driving this clearly very important research, and then our participants were basically asked to respond to make a piece of work that would communicate the information that they'd been presented with.
Proteins do have a three-dimensional shape, and essentially when that goes wrong, it can cause diseases, as we've mentioned. So
I'm Louise Serpell, so I run the lab. And I've been working as a scientist for, 30 years or something.
So we know quite a lot about the pathology of Alzheimer's disease.
So I'm Frances, and I'm a singer and composer, and as Nick said, I have a strong relationship with scientific work because I run a project which is about celebrating women in science from the past and the present and for the future. So that's the VQI VYK here, and then it varies a little bit from Professor Serpell's diagram.
I'm Karen Marshall. I work in Louise Serpell's lab. I've always worked on protein misfolding, and there I worked on mad cow disease. I've been a scientist for quite a long time, but I do have a real passion for music as well, and so I'm really looking forward to hearing what you can make out of our research.
Lost the thread.
That's big fire. I was in the bath this morning. They got me.
What if they should be found to misfold? Create the wrong shape that won't fit anywhere, that must make its own place. Some tiny proteins, rogues in the pack, receive the wrong code. So instead of forming fantastical structures, they stick